welcome back to our channel Life Review. My name is Dev and today we'll be doing the unboxing of a SKMEI digital watch. Okay, don't be surprised, usually we do unboxing of G-Shocks. Those are fairly high quality digital watches, as you can see. So and we will be doing lots more G-Shock unboxing and Casio unboxing, so stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. We have around 10 to 15 more G-Shock watches unboxings and reviews coming up in the future, so stay tuned for that. Now coming back to this video, this is from SKMEI. Why I bought this, I'll tell you. I saw this picture in Amazon and I really like this watch, but I don't know how the actual watch will be, how the quality will be, but I just went ahead and bought this. So actually the SKMEI packaging and everything has improved a lot. Earlier it was just a cardboard box, but now you can see they have like they even have introduced holograms. So yeah, all right. So India Private Limited, these are usually all rebranded Chinese watches. So yeah, this is January 2025. MRP listed as 3,499, but as I mentioned, I got this for around 850. I'll put the link of that below. You can go ahead and check that out from Amazon, in fact. All right, enough of just staring at the box, but the box looks good, red and black. I really like the color scheme. It's in plastic. Let me quickly try to take this out. And okay, SKMEI has really upped their game. Okay, nice. Little bit of texture. Ooh, nice. Okay, so nothing else, no documentation or anything. All right, that's that. Okay, there is something here. That's it. A thin paperwork for this, not a thick booklet like the Casios. This 6-digit operation manual. Yeah, the manual is not very good. How to set the time and everything, real time and all of those things. And yeah, Chinese, of course, this is a Chinese watch, as I mentioned. Okay, ooh, nice. This, okay, not as high quality as G-Shock, but yeah, 5,000 rupees, 5,000 to 10,000 rupees, and this is 850. But I would have to say, considering the price, this is not that bad. Nice thick yeah, green light dual time. This actually looks yeah, comparable. Ooh, nice. And that's the reason I bought this. This actually looks like a Mudmaster. This entire design is from the Mudmaster. Even the yellow digits, these are Mudmasters. And yeah, just one screen, that is a negative display, and I really like this. And this is the second hand, so it actually functional. So this is nice. And there's a bit of lume here. Yeah, so dual time LED SKMEI branding here. This is, according to them, this is water resistant 50 meter, but yeah, do not take this to the beach or yeah, I think a mild rain is okay. Metal screws here, so that's another good touch. Green time, chronograph, so nice. This will give a good grip, and I would say this is like not very thin, does not feel cheap at all. I have to say the clasp, yeah, definitely this feels a little bit cheap compared to G-Shock, that too, but yeah, this actually will be comfortable, not that bad. Okay, so let's check. We have this. Does this rotate? No. Does it push? This is nothing. This is just for show. This one does not do anything. This is a button pusher. Yeah, big one. Okay, nothing happens. Okay, so this is how you control the digital display, and nice beep. Yeah, reminds me of the G-Shocks. And I think this is the light. Yeah, oh, green light. This actually looks quite good. Nice. So yeah, and this is a little bit, yeah, this is a little bit rounded convex lens, so I also like this one. Really nice. Usually in the G-Shocks there is a sensor here, but this is just ornamental. And these are the buttons. Yeah, they rotate also. Nice. So again here, this is actual metal, so definitely the build quality is quite good. Okay, coming to the back, water resistant, 5 ATM. Okay, 5 ATM again. Okay, all right, 50 meter. Yeah, that is consistent. 50 meter. SKMEI 5 ATM. Battery code is given there. Year 2025. So this is the latest year one. Nice. I really like this. I will adjust this and I will wear this. If you want, I can do the full review of this. So put that in the comment and I will do that. If you have any questions, also put that in the comment section. I'll answer each and every one of you. And let me just show you a close-up of this. Nice. Yeah, STWD, these are for the stop time and all this, but of course these are not very functional. Alarm is there, but yeah, I really like the look of this watch. This is an analog and a digital watch, as you can see. So sports watch written here. Usually the original ones have Casio written here, and here was G-Shock written, but here sports watch and water resist. Okay, And mode button, this is the mode button here, this is the light, of course, we already saw that. And here is written start for the stopwatches and reset. Okay, the time, this is different, this is 10:30 as listed here, the one in the digital display is different, so I guess there is a separate way to adjust that. I'm not sure how. I have to read the manual for that. Alright, thanks for watching till the end. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out another latest videos. Goodbye.